At Axiom Print, we want COVID-19 to go away just as much as you, but this is our new normal and maybe for a while. If you own a restaurant, hotel, business, or clinic, these standalone sneeze guards are for you. Make your waiting area safer by separating seats with a barrier to reduce people's contact with germs. Supported by 2 aluminum beams, the base comes in 5 beautiful colors. Also, we are now offering wheels for easier mobility. Due to its size, we recommend picking it up from our office in LA or requesting a delivery. Don't wait, order today!